Okay, so let's talk beta profiles. So as many of you would have known that the beta profiles website, which was what actually giving out free beta profiles out for everyone to download, has actually been taken down by Apple. Well, they technically didn't take it down by themselves. Apple was about to file a lawsuit or something, I guess, and beta profiles didn't just want to get involved in that, so they officially shut down their website and they posted about it on Twitter saying that their website won't be available anymore and only the Twitter page will be available, and that is just to talk about beta updates and just all things Apple. So as someone who uses the beta profile website, I agree to it. I am someone who uses the beta profile website. I just feel like this was a bit too harsh move of Apple. So this was just promoting ranting. It's just gonna be a bit casual and not so formal like my other videos. I just feel like this is a really harsh move by Apple. It's right that their softwares are being stolen inappropriately, but Beta Profiles was really a good website, to be honest. The level of convenience that you get on the Beta Profile websites was just really good. I'm not just talking because it's free. Of course, Beta Profiles did have its own bloatwares and everything, like a lot of advertisement and everything, but I guess it's pretty good because without Beta Profiles you have to pay Apple an annual fees of $148 to join their developer program to try out the Beta Profiles. Well, $148 for 1 year might not sound like a big money to some people, but thinking about this, for those who just want the new features and they don't develop apps or anything, I feel like the $140 is just an unnecessary spending. Well, yeah, for the public they can get the public beta, which is obviously for free, but I guess the developer betas opens you up to more features earlier than everyone, and I'm someone who uses the developer beta a lot. So I feel like the public beta is just a slightly lesser version of the original one, so it isn't really that exciting. But on the other hand, if you look at the developer beta, it does have a lot of features. It's not just a lot of features, a lot of things to try out. Sometimes even the things that don't make it in the end to the end build is still, you at least you get a chance to do it in the developer beta. So it's just really a very harsh move of Apple to remove it, but of course I guess I understand where it's coming from, considering that no one wants their product to be stolen, but I just hope beta profiles get revived. I mean, I get where they're coming from, but it was really a harsh move. I'm pretty sure that those who want to download the developer beta are definitely not going to get it, because now thinking about it, majority of people, like I said before, download it just for the features. So they definitely won't be paying the $140 per year to get the membership. So my wish is just for Beta Profiles to come back. I really hope Beta Profiles comes back because it was just a very convenient website for me, and of course the main reason is it's free, of course. So that is what comes up in the end. But other than free, I guess Beta Profiles was pretty nice. I just hope they come back, which I don't think they are gonna come back anytime soon. People taking out Beta Profiles was like my worst nightmare. I really hope Beta Profiles create another domain or something like that, you know. I'm not gonna say any more ideas because I don't think getting copyrighted by Apple. Apple just copyrights videos that they don't like. So for now, the only option for majority of us is just to either get the public beta, which is for free. You just have to log in with your Apple ID and you are into the public beta. It's either you do that, or for the developer beta you just pay Apple $148 per year and just get the beta profiles and you're good to go. The advantage of Apple's beta profiles is when you transfer your device, your beta profile just gets transferred over. That's something which is really nice and I really love it. And of course, it's not just for Apple. Last time with beta profiles, it wasn't working, but now I would say it is working, was working, and I don't know if it's still working. I still need to try it out and see how it goes. But obviously, I don't have the source code to download it back onto my phone. So that's a bummer. So I guess that's pretty much it for my ranting. So you can get it for 148, but like I said, definitely not worth it. And I just hope that Beta Profiles just comes back one day. Like seriously, I just wanted to come back so badly. And let's just wish Beta Profiles comes back, or some miracle happens and Apple makes the developer beta, I don't know, accessible to everyone. Maybe for at a cheaper price, but probably with limitations. Actually, talking about limitations, I just realized maybe if they take it down, they can offer alternate solutions like people can download the developer beta, but you get like a different plan. I think we can do that. That might be an alternative. But no matter what happens, removing beta profiles is just a great loss for me. So I just hope my softwares work. So yep, that's pretty much it for this video. It was just me ranting about apples, and I don't know, it was just fun. I mean, I'm not gonna say it's fun. It's just I'm just very irritated by the fact that now I have to start paying to just use a software. It's just ridiculous. But I can't complain. Even if I complain, nothing is gonna change. So that's been it for this. So if you didn't like what Apple did, use the like button as a dislike button shows to show your dislike for Apple in a like way. So I don't know if that made sense or not, but just want to put that out. Well, I guess since we're done with it, catch you guys in the next one. Bye.